to on their wedding day.
I'll just knock on plastic. What is it?
What's your soundtrack?
Oh, I saw them like last year at the Canopy. They were good. So this is just a random. That's cute. That's cute, Haley. I can't get over Steven getting pooped on by a bird.
Yeah, that's the funniest shit I've ever heard.
Show me.
It's on his knee. It went through the table
on
that
his napkin
knee.
right there.
Yeah, it's still.
That's the poop napkin. And he just rubbed it on his leg.
Control yourself, Brittany.
It's just really funny.